Unlock the key for the S60 Volvo. So this is a key, a smart key. It's having 6 buttons. So this is a smart key, and I want to unlock it because it is locked with the SP400 Pro and the im608. But I've read the data which the SIM data which this key was stored to, so I've read it already. So what I'll go, so now when I'm in the keyless module, or let me go back. As we read the KVM in the smart key unit, I can go to control and go to keyless module and go to the key identification and unlocking. When you read the instructions, it tells you have to load the SIM data, and I'm having the SIM data for the key already. So the SIM data that you read will be the EEPROM where the key is. So select smart, sorry for my camera, select the smart system, then select the SIM data. To this is for 2011 key. That was the SIM data they bought because the customer bought a used SIM data. So now read complete. So we'll click on OK to move to the next button. Then it's waiting to read the key. So this is the key which is locked. So let me place it in the im600, and you can see where it is. And sorry, it failed. Let me read it again. It failed because the key wasn't in the im608 quickly. Now the key is in it, so let me read. I have the data already, so it will read it again and tell me the status. So you can see this is the key ID and key status locked. So tap OK to unlock, or tap cancel to exit it. So now I'll tap OK to unlock this key so that I can program it to the next SIM. Okay, then you can see this key is being unlocked. Please wait, do not disconnect or remove the USB battery from the key. And it's working, and you can see now key unlock successful. So now the SIM key is locked, it's unlocked successful. So let me try it again, and you see it will not read, to not be able to read it. So okay, and sorry, press OK and go through the procedure again, because I want to make sure, I have to make sure the key is unlocked. So reading key data, and you can see, so now you can see the status. Your key is unlocked, and this is the key ID, is the old key ID, so it has been unlocked. So I'll press OK and go back, so that tomorrow when I get to the car, I'll be able to program this key. So now that this key is unlocked, it doesn't have any ID in it. So now I can program this key to the vehicle SIM. So the customer that brought this key brought the SIM that comes with this key. So without the SIM that comes with this key data, you can't unlock it. So now the key data is unlocked. So I'm having an unlocked smart key which I can register to any of the data. So if I want to know, I can register this key. So now what I'll do is go back and go to key. So let me go back and try and add this key, and I shouldn't get any failure. So read key data. Okay, and I have the SIM that I want this key to be programmed to. So I can, one thing I can do is I can program this key to that SIM here, and when I get there, I just plug it in and try and do the programming sequence. So I'll choose Europe and go to Volvo and select the Volvo type, which is X60, which is X60, and you can see the models that you can choose. So I'll choose 2010 upwards. Our vehicle system is 2010 to 2018. So now I'll read the sim data, and I want the 2013 one rather. So I'll choose the 2013 RG original and read it and program and log this key to it. So when I choose it, I'll log this key to it. So now it's loading the data and analyzing it. So because I was not connected to Wi-Fi, so I had an error. So now that I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I'll try it again, and you can see the analyzing. It's okay, data read. So okay. So now you can see the first key ID. So I'm trying to make this key ID. With Volvo, whenever the key, or let's say whenever this key is being read with for this sim, we can't use it anywhere again unless this sim. So now let me make a key and please insert the key into the slot. So you can see the key is in the slot and press OK. So let me select this key number and make key, and it's done. So key number 2 is made. Yes. So configuring data. Yeah, so it's now writing the key data into it. So what they do is, after doing this thing, you can also write the key data into the sim, so that when you get to the car, you just put it in. So do you want to save the new generated file? Yes. So let me 2013, sorry, 2013 new key. So I'll save this data. Analyzing the data. So key is ready. Rewrite the key bin to your chip. Press OK. So now this key is locked to this sim. So you can see the key is locked to the sim. So what I'll do now is I'll try and read the key, and we are going to unlock it again. So I'll try and go and read the key and see. So let me go to programmer, accept, to check in for upgrade file for the firmware of the key. So let me read the key. So now read and write key. So let me read the key and automatic detect the key. So now it's checking for the key for me. So you can see this is the key detail, and the key is locked. So now you can see the key is locked, merchant code, and every press OK. So this is the key ID that I showed you first. So this is the key ID. So when I write the system, this is the key ID that will come. So let me go to unlock, and I can't find any unlock thing here. So read key info. Okay. So to read the key info for me, and I'll show you how to get it unlocked again. So let me go back. So without the SIM, I'm not sure you can unlock this key. Without the SIM data, you can't unlock it. So, okay, yes, smart key. So I have to unlock this key and make it virgin, so that when I go to the car, I'll do all key loss, then program this key to it and unlock. So let me, okay, I'm having the SIM data which is 2013. So let's try and use the 2012, no, not the flash, but rather the pro. So 2011 okay, and see if the key can be unlocked with any other SIM. So unlock it. The key is already in the unit, and you can see the key status. So you can see the key status. The reason why this key will be locked, can be unlocked, is because the key ID is still in the SIM. So you understand. So let's go to cancel and exit, and let me read it. No. Let me use the one which doesn't contain. So let me use the one which doesn't contain this key ID, the file which doesn't contain this key ID, and see if it will be able to unlock it. So control unit, then unlock. Okay, so it's loading. So let me use the 2013, the one I didn't save. So 2013 original, and see if this key can be unlocked, because with that one the key ID is not in it. Wow, that means I can use any SIM data to unlock the key. So just waiting for it to say it's unlocked. So unlock is successful. So that means now this key is unlocked, and let's read the key info again. And it's unlocked. So that means with this SIM you can unlock. All you need is a SIM data, then you can use it to unlock any Volvo smart key. So let me go back to programming and read the key status. First we read it and it was locked, but now we've unlocked it. So I'm going to read it again. I'm going to read the key data again. So read and write key automatic, so that it automatically detect the key for me. So now you can see the key status is unlocked in encryption mode. And when you go back and watch when it was locked, that's a different thing. So now let me escape. Yes, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.